All right, let's talk about something we're all dealing with more and more, AI chatbots. Specifically, how to get them to actually do what we want instead of just, making us want to pull our hair out. We're going to get into how you can get incredible results every single time. So let's do this.
So has this ever happened to you? You're having a conversation with an AI, things are going okay, and then boom, it just completely goes off the rails. It's like it has no idea what you're talking about anymore, and you're just sitting there thinking, how did we even get here?
And it usually looks something like this, right? You get these really generic, kind of useless answers, or the AI totally misses the point of what you asked. And, oh, my favorite, when it completely forgets a key detail you told it like 2 messages ago. But here's the thing. It's probably not your fault. It's all about the technique.
And that's exactly what we're going to do. We're going to give you a super simple but really powerful toolkit to turn those frustrating chats into some pretty fantastic results.
Okay, first step, the #1 fix for almost everything, clarity. Seriously, this is where most AI chats fall apart. It all starts with a vague prompt. The secret is to go from a fuzzy idea in your head to a super direct, crystal clear instruction for the AI.
And this slide just nails the difference. Look at the vague prompt on the left. Write something about climate change. I mean, what is the AI even supposed to do with that? It's way too broad. But now look at the clear prompt. We've told it the length, 100 words. We've given it a specific focus, the impact on coastal cities. Now the AI has a clear target to hit.
And that's really the heart of it. Vague prompts get you vague answers. It's that simple. Think of it like this. You have to start directing the AI, not just asking it questions. You be specific and you'll get a specific, useful result back.
Okay, so you've nailed being specific. The next level up is adding context. This is all about giving the AI the background info it needs to tackle more complex stuff. You're basically giving it a temporary brain for the exact job you need it to do.
And we do this by combining a few different techniques into one big cohesive prompt. You're not just throwing a single command at it, you're layering in different elements. It's like, instead of just saying bake a cake, you're giving it a full-on recipe with the ingredients, the steps, everything.
And here is a fantastic little 3-step recipe for that. First, give the AI a role. Tell it, you are a witty marketing expert, or you are a patient science tutor. Second, give it super clear instructions on what to do. And third, this one is a pro move, give it an example of what a great answer looks like.
When you layer all these things together, you're not just giving a command anymore. You're basically handing the AI a complete creative brief. And that is how you get those really nuanced, accurate, and sometimes even surprising results.
All right, let's talk about the one that trips up everybody, the AI's terrible memory. You know when you're deep in a conversation and it just forgets the rules you started with? Well, there's a killer technique to fix this called prompt priming.
So prompt priming is where you use that very first message you send to set the ground rules for the entire chat. It's kind of like setting a strict agenda before a meeting starts. It makes sure every single thing that comes after stays on track and follows the right style.
Let's look at a really fun example that makes this super clear. Your first prompt is this persona and this one simple rule. Always talk like a pirate. That's it. You've now given the AI its main directive for the whole conversation. And look what happens. The AI just jumps right into character. From this moment on, every single response is going to follow that pirate rule. And this works for anything. A pirate, a formal business consultant, a Shakespearean poet, you name it. But of course, there's a little catch. If the conversation gets really long and complicated, the AI's memory isn't perfect. It can actually start to forget that first priming prompt, and you'll see it start to drift back to its default, kind of boring personality.
But the fix for this is so simple. The second you notice the AI starting to drift off course, you just remind it of the rules. Seriously, you can just copy and paste that original priming prompt right back in there, and it'll snap right back into character.
So, there you have it. We've gone through the 3 biggest AI pitfalls and the simple, powerful ways to fix them. Let's wrap this all up into your brand new AI toolkit.
And this little table says it all. If you're getting vague answers, your fix is to be more specific. If the AI is totally missing the point, you need to add context. That's the role, instructions, and examples. And if the AI starts getting forgetful, you hit it with some prompt priming and repriming if you have to. But the real secret here is that it's a process. It's not about writing one single perfect prompt. It's about putting something out there, seeing what you get back, and tweaking it. You stop being just a user, and you start becoming an AI director.
So, you've got the toolkit now. You have the fundamental skills to get way, way better results from any chatbot out there. The only question left is, what are you going to build with it? What problems are you going to solve? Go try it out.